How did you manage to do that?
I tried to pick up my... Oh, okay, so it's shooting stuff pretty well.
Alright, we got our turrets in a good spot.
Mine's behind me, so if it starts going off, I can hear it.
Pair of FPs.
Oh, you're not dead.
Flesh pound and a flesh pummel.
And I got both of them.
Damn.
Yeah, we got our turrets in a really good spot. That's perfect.
That thing just disappeared. You saw that crawler just fly to me as a corpse. Wow.
Oh, wow. Look at all those guys beside you.
Yeah, look at them dead. Hey, hello Brute, how are you? They don't stand a chance.
Crap,
Oh, God.
reloading.
I'm getting pushed back, guys, again.
Alright, that brute.
Oh, there's a Brute? Don't worry.
Flesh
Female
pound.
flesh pound. Damn, he shot her in the ass.
Slap that booty.
Slap it like a bullet shaker.
2 more FPs.
Oh, another one. Dead. Oh, flesh pummel.
Don't worry.
My God, the bullets are flying
Yeah.
everywhere.
Technically, I'm not throwing any bullets, I'm throwing fire.
Oh, that's slow motion. I saw you trying to save me, Kevin.
Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god.
I killed it.
Don't worry, man. You good, you good.
Inbound fire grenade.
Oh, reloading.
Did I just really shoot that Gorshank right in the knee and he died? Wow. I think I have a butcher over here. No, I have a brute. Never mind.
It's a dark brute.
Still something to worry about.
There's a bastard behind you, Kevin.
Well, he's on fire.
2 sick kills.
Oh, dang. That's slow motion, though, with the turrets.
Not even that, I killed the Brute. He made a sexy death.
I'm almost out of ammo. We still have over 100. Guess I better switch to another. I don't have another gun. God dang it.
I have an A12.
All I have is my grenade launcher, medic gun, and a skadinchi, something like that.
2 FPs.
Oh, female flesh pound and a flesh pummel right beside me. Need backup.
I'm actually gonna go
hi.
Viking Berserk right now.
Crap.
Oh, God, it's wrecking my armor.
I killed it. How's it wrecking
No,
your
you didn't
armor?
kill the
You're
flesh
like
pummel.
at 80.
The flesh pummel. The flesh pummel.
Killed that one too.
That was the one that was wrecking my armor.
What, the flesh bumble?
Yeah, if he was wrecking my armor like that, then he can wreck you guys when he hits you. Dang. Dang, Andrew, how's it feel to be knocked the fuck out?
Awesome,
Throwing shirts on the
actually.
floor.
Turret down? Dang, that's mine. I'll just buy it. Yep,
My
it's
turret
gone.
is
They
still
destroyed
at,
my
my
turret.
turret is
Yeah.
still at 100%.
Yeah, they destroyed mine. I guess that flesh pound knocked it out.
He's dealing tons of damage.
Alright, it's time to kill some guys with medic grenades.
You go, boy. Oh! Okay, never mind.
Crap, Adele.
Oh god, I'm switching to my spring.
I got him.
Oh,
Oh, there's
That's
a
slow motion,
butcher
though.
I just killed. Okay, I really need some help.
flesh female. I know I'm working on it.
Hold on.
Oh, come on.
Someone killed his flesh
I got it.
female.
And then there's another one.
Got it.
Flesh pummel, that's the bad one.
Wait, there's a
Adele,
Hellfire.
Adele.
I'm working. Oh my god. I was healing you too.
That's the only thing that can't die in one hit. Oh my god, medic.
I'm healing. Just save me.
Dude, you have full armor.
Oh, I do.
Yeah, you have like half armor actually. But still, a lot of porcine left.
I lost Phantom. Where did he go?
I'm dying here.
Oh,
Damn.
He's
oh
dead.
God.
Oh!
Well, guys, I have a feeling this is where
A
we're
pair
gonna
of
have
brutes were playing. Were tossing me around.
Keep healing me. Ah!
I'm trying. It doesn't heal fast enough.
Fuck.
There goes Surge.
Oh my god. I killed most of them
You got
before
this.
I died though. There's a brute right behind you.
God dang it.
At least you can't really die.
There's pipe bombs on the other side of that hedge.
God dang it. This thing reloads.
Why are you using gunslinger weapons?
Because this is the weapon I picked up.
Pick up my loudmouth. He just disappeared. Let me see what else you're up against.
That means next wave is going to be hard.
Like, hard. Alright, you got a female fleshbound, a shafter, a brute, one of those husk things.
Wait, why can't I move? Oh,
Oh, well, you got that one shafter.
There's
I saw the
ammo
ammo.
to your
Great.
left. Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's
Got it.
another shafter up ahead. Okay, he's converging at your position. There we go. Oh my god, that arachnid.
Keep going straight back.
die!
Yeah, there's nothing behind you to kill you, so...
There's pipe bombs within that hedge. Or
I'm not going to be able to pick him up. Okay.
Or what used to be a hedge.
yeah.
There's a female fleshbound just going at you. That thing is
Help grenade.
steaming hot.
Oh God! Oh, I got one clip. Make it count.
It gave you a boost.
Go up the
Oh,
hill,
thanks.
and there's ammo in the back.
Yeah.
Eh, eh.
Oh, my loudmouth is still here.
Yeah,
Pick
get
up
that.
that loudmouth.
That might save me. Oh shit! I gotta loop back around and get it. Okay. Drop.
Oh, he doesn't even follow you. Oh, well, there's a female.
Oh shit!
Oh my goodness, this looks so bad.
God dang it! Thought that would kill her.
Why would that kill her? She's almost a robot.
God dang it!
Just pick out your knife and throw something away while you're going, and then pick
Oh,
up my
can't go that
loudmouth.
way. I'm trying.
Oh, come on, that was just a clot.
Wait, that's a loudmouth.
I think that's a grenade launcher. No, that's a grenade launcher.
Oh God dang it!
Run!
Run like the wind, bullshit.
Let me guess, it's a gore shank?
Yes.
Alright, so go around and get your loudmouth. Alright.
Just throw something before.
Okay, medic grenade.
I still...
God dang it, I threw it in front of me.
You got this.
Alright, pick it up.
Uh,
Yes.
got it.
I don't think you'll do as much damage as I do, but hopefully it's
Let's
okay.
see.
Nope, you don't.
Nope.
I deal
my-
130% more damage, that's why it keeps destroying people, but you could
dead.
two-shot it. I think it's enough.
It's only 12 shots, so I better make it count.
That female's gonna take 2 or 3 shots, I'm telling you right now. But you probably damaged it before, so maybe just 2 or 1 shot.
Woo, that was close.
Oh god,
Oh,
the
that lever
grenade was
action.
huge.
It's coming.
Don't even bother with a lever action, it's useless.
Yeah, fight me, bitch.
Nice.
Alright, 5 more.
Oh, they're not much.
Got husk though.
Yeah, that husk makes a crater.
Alright, let me take out that husk.
Wave 9 out of 10.
Medic grenade!
Yeah, that's gonna work.
Boom!
Nice.
Not shooting me again. Really? Oh, that's the one that shoots grenades. Okay, that's not bad.
No, well, yeah. Or rockets, like literal rockets and not fireballs.
Okay.
I'm picking up every damn thing I can.
That's my
Alright, so
flamethrower.
Oh, sorry.
should I still be a medic or I don't even know. This just got insane.
Yeah, we kind of died.
Alright, I'm just gonna drop your wait, you spawned with the loudmouth, right?
Yeah, you can sell
Alright,
it.
I'm selling this. That got crazy and bad very fast.
What was your first one?
I have 8,000. Is there anything better I can get? Oh, demolition. Damn.
Oh, buy armor, guys.
Oh god, armor, get armor.
I only bought the weakest, the combat armor.
It's at least it's something.
Oh, I could have gave you money. I have 7,000. Damn.
Guys, we're gonna make it to the hill again.
If we can. I got another turret, by the way.
Oh, that's good. Is my turret still alive? No, it isn't.
No, all the turrets got destroyed.
Do you see my particle effect still there?
No.
I see it. It's right there where I died.
Oh yeah, I see it. Alright guys, keep moving. Kevin and Phantom, stop shooting.
I got you covered.
I'm trying to slow them down. Keep going.
I got you covered. Oh, there's a shiver.
I bought a grenade launcher, just in case.
I'm gonna have to go very soon.
Oh god, brute! Watch out, screamer behind you.
That's
Where's
not good.
Surge? Alright, Surge right there.
Oh, flesh pound.
Female flesh pound behind.
Probably like fire grenades.
Dang, that guy can take some hits. Oh, nice fire, Kevin.
Female
Wait,
flesh
and-
pound. Two of them behind.
Where's she?
Where?
Behind
I'll
us?
take it.
God.
Side.
Alright, I'm gonna get my grenade launcher back out. So we just gotta watch out for flesh pummels. Those are the worst.
I think if I headshot it, I can kill it.
Watch out, fire grenades.
I don't need to watch out, because they can't do shit to me.
Ah! Oh my god. This is like full concentration now.
Yeah.
Alright, whipping out the fire.
Alright, I'll use the grenade launcher, clear them up a little
Oh,
bit.
got a flesh pound, GG.
Someone get this shiver. Oh yeah, let me heal some of you guys. You guys are low.
We still got 100.
Yeah, I have 7,000 if anybody wants to borrow money.
I would need to buy
I'll have
some money, 'cause
some.
I needed to buy some armor.
Does he have 8,000?
Since we're like almost 200 meters away, we gotta get back to this spot. I'll throw out the money now.
Why are you throwing money right now?
Because we're not gonna have enough time to share this money. We're like at 200 meters away. Oh, it's starting to get crowded fast. Get this M79 out. Oh, Shafter. Help.
Coming.
You.
Flesh pound. Left, surge.
Yeah, but right beside you, Surge. Absolutely Shrek, dang.
You got brutes coming down the aisle down here.
Oh, I'm out of... Crap, I'm out of grenades. Alright, I can't clear out the small ones anymore. That's up to you guys.
Got a Shafter and a stick over here.
Alright, we got a lot of brutes and some flesh pounds. Oh my god. Whew. Oh, I'm out of ammo.
Screamer.
Flesh pound.
Killed
Alright,
it.
let me just heal up. Good job. Oh my god, what is hitting me?
Brute.
Just heal Andrew. There we go.
Shafter inbound.
Shafter, shoot that fat ass. Oh, die! Whew. Brute, thank you. Alright, 9 more to
should
go.
Get going.
Let's get close to the trader. Let's go. I'll throw out some money along the way. On my way. Oh, female flesh pound. Help, help, help. Miley Cyrus is hitting me. Okay, thanks.
Yeah, 5 grand.
I don't know what to buy.
I'm gonna change to demolition.
Yeah, good idea.
Oh, this is last wave. Maybe we don't need to get back to that spot.
Well, the trader's all the way over here. GG.
Alright, demolition. Gonna keep my sentry turret. Let's get that A12 frag. Wow, 25 grenades is a lot. Anybody need money? Anybody need money? Uh-oh, Phantom has the Hellsing guns. And the AWP. You ever seen Hellsing, Phantom?
Yeah.
That's why you got those?
Yep.
Those shit are powerful.
I got 22 pipe bombs.
I got explosive AA-12.
Wait, I think we
Oh, I
should.
see him.
I'm gonna put pipe bombs here. All 22 of them.
He's across.
Don't explode.
He's on the, yeah, directly across where I'm shooting.
Alright, I'll go up here with Kevin so that if he does start attacking, we'll lead him over there to the pipeline.
Actually, I think he's coming from the other side. From the back to your left.
I'm worried.
This is gonna
As
get
soon
loud.
as I see that fucker, I'm gonna light that. I'm gonna light that fucker like a Christmas goose.
Christmas goose, what? Why'd you come up on Surge and kills him with his pipe bombs?
I hear him. Where is he?
God damn, this
so wait, hold on.
this thing is loud.
Did you set down every single one? He's gonna get direct when he
Oh,
walks
he's
over
coming.
there.
He's here.
Where is he?
Behind the tree.
Now he's on fire.
Into the pipe bombs.
Come on, asshole.
Don't. No, not the.
Oh, I stopped him, don't worry. I killed him.
If the mobs got onto the pipe bombs, holy crap. I wanna do this quickly, I'm gonna have to go, like, right now.
Yeah, I have to go too, but I could stay for this.
We can get this, guys. We made it this far, we gotta finish.
I hear him.
Wow.
Where is- Oh god, guys.
Run to the pipe bombs! Did he walk over here? Damn, he didn't walk over
Wait,
here.
he did, I see him. Oh wait, that's something else.
Here, I'll stay right here so that he walks right on me in the pipe.
What was
What?
that? What was that?
I didn't do that. Who did that?
I was just shooting some people. It says I killed
Nice.
him.
You won.
What, did you throw a grenade or something?
No, I used my frag A12.
Oh, wow. That's why he died then. You used the fragged
But
AA-12.
I didn't even see him.
You just shot randomly, he was there.
You won.
There were just a bunch of trash mobs.
Good job. You accidentally killed the Patreon.
Alright guys, thanks for the invite guys. This was fun.
This is totally fun. I
Oh,
like
God.
it. We
This
actually
was
won for
definitely-
one.
This was
That
weird.
was crazy fun, though.
Alright,
Well, anyway,
I gotta go.
take us out, Kevin.
Oh, guys, that was a modded server of Kiliing Floor. Hope you guys enjoy. Check out 50,000, me and Adele's description below, and enjoy your night, everybody.
What Kevin said.
This will be something we'll be doing from now on, everybody, so stay tuned for future Kiliing Floor videos with these mods.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh my god.
Dude, we put work into that. We put work.
Oh, wait, the